Hi everyone, today I would like to show you the cool thing that we got recently access to. It's NotebookLM. It's part of Google Gemini AI, and I would like to share with you the chatbot about OpenShift documentation. And it includes not only OpenShift itself, but also a lot of services that runs in it. For example, ACM, security access, various parts like GitOps operator, and Lightspeed, pipelines, serverless, probably everything that might be found in OpenShift docs. And all this is included here in the NotebookLM as sources. So NotebookLM is actually a RAG platform, and it has all RAG features like scraping the documents, embedding them, and then allow you to search in chat and get answers for queries. Also, it has a lot of nice features like creating static guide, uh, timeline, mind map, and even podcast. You literally can start a podcast about OpenShift docs or about some features of OpenShift if you like. So let's see what source type it gets. First, it can get from Google Drive, for example, slides and docs, and this can be synced without removing. You can just, for example, upload your slides, and then if you change slides, you can sync in the sources and it will be updated. It can take any link. Website is actually a link, and it takes text information from website without pictures, without everything, without video. It can be YouTube video, but it should have captions enabled and auto-generated, or user or auto-generated. Without captions, it will not work, and can be just some text that you found somewhere. And links and text and YouTube video are not updated, so if something is changing in your website, you need to remove and to re-add the source. And of course, you can upload any PDF file, PDF text, Markdown, audio that will be scraped, and it can be up to, I think, 200 megabytes or 500,000 of words. Discover sources, you can just start Googling and find something in the internet and it will be added automatically. So what I did is actually I did here all OpenShift documentation for 18 in my case. Unfortunately, I didn't find all docs in one file, so I had to go and like uh, section by section and convert it to PDF and then join all these PDFs into one. So if you need all OpenShift documentation in one file, reach me out, I will send you. And it includes also different files for all other products like GitOps, RHEL AI, cluster security, ACM, and a lot of other stuff. Also included a little from different sources, for example, from repositories of Hypershift. Just created one MD file from all MD files there. Added some telco related stuff on focus on RunDU and others and ZTP deployments. Uh, and for some operators, I did just markdown files from the repositories. Also, I did a few videos from Reddit channel and OpenShift channel, which explain about hosted control planes in this case and ACM, and I think Hypershift as well, and some other like Metal 3 user guide, and this is from documentation clusters. So all this documentation are here in RAC actually, and you can ask questions about everything here. For example, when I ask how to install cluster ZTP in GitOps, what's great in chat, it gives you actual links to the docs that you have here for the sources, and first you can just poke around here and to see what exactly is part that replies to this question, that actual link to it. And there is another part that you can see here. And in case you want to read more, just click on it and it will open for you here exactly the place in documentation and which file would you use for that? And you can read here or just go and open this file in a site or in your computer or whatever. So it's not only generates summaries, actually it generates very good answers with links to docs, and it's really cool to navigate to all these parts that you want to see and you want to expand your knowledge. Except of all answers here, you can see the answer is very detailed. There's a lot of links and references, and you see that actually everything is correct here. You see site config, cluster instance. It's exactly how you need to install with VZTP in GitOps, and that's really cool. Except of this, you have here various, I would say, options to work with information. It can be FAQ or quiz. You can ask for a quiz, for example, to test your knowledge. Uh, as I said, you can do a podcast, you can do mind map that will show you the tree of documentation, so on. So about sources, you can enable or disable them. For example, if someone would like to add here 17 documentation or 12 documentation even, and you need answer only for 12, you just disable everything related to 18 and enable for 12, and then you got your answer. The same thing about any other products versions that we have here. For example, ACM 2.10, you just disable the 12 and get from 10. Beside of that, it can be used for actually any chatbot. It kind of killing all RAG initiatives because it would replace everything. For example, if you need onboard chatbot for your team members, you just add here all sources that you have usually in your docs or links or whatever, and create a chatbot, and it can answer any question of new team members and link you to correct documentation. It can be documentation notebook as it is now. It can be training. You can ask for a training, for a quiz. You can ask actually to do study guide and create a course. Maybe this course and labs can be used for base, for example, for Red Hat Learning University course. It can be it can do presentation, for example, from the data that you can choose here. I can just ask for this answer, create me a presentation, slides, and it will create it. And yeah, it's really limitless possibilities here. And here you can see like real steps with configurations, with answers, and links to docs. What is great here, you can also share it, and you can share, for example, with all Reddit and all company. Any team member can go here and to find and to use it. You can share as full notebook, or you can share as a chat, like here. This is example of hiding sources. For example, if you don't want to reveal your sources, just to share the chat, it will share like that. It will answer exactly the same, but you will not have here the links to the sources. So this can be actually the real chat documentation about Openshift that can be shared with the whole company, and it works really great. I tested it on various questions on various platforms and products that I added to sources. It always found exactly the thing that I was looking for. What's great here, you can create whatever uh, knowledge bases for this. For example, I created knowledge base about how to use secure AWS and GitHub Actions with OpenID Connect, with OIDC. I added a few blogs, links from documentation, even ChatGPT answers here. It can take it as a source and ask for a question and got exactly uh, step by step the configuration, what to do and where. And this is really cool for transferring any knowledge. I will share this doc, and anyone who is interested in to do it, just go to this doc, ask questions, get answers, or go to the sources and look actually in the sources what exactly is going on there. And I like where this mind map feature. You go just to the specific topic that you want to use and ask about this topic and get the answer here. So I'll share this link to the NotebookLM of all OpenShift documentation and all related stuff with Telco Focus. You can use it as a chatbot. You can add sources if you would like and send me. I will add here. You can uh, use it for sharing chat or whatever. And yeah, if you want to podcast, I can generate someone. So that's it, what I wanted to share with you, and happy chatting.